Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're out here in the patio. As promised, I am gonna show y'all how I hang up the lights. And yeah, let's go. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be using the Adlon string lights. They're 48 feet because the patio is a pretty big size. So we're gonna. What I'm trying to do is hang them up like across this way, horizontally. So yeah, that's what I'll do. And then once I hang them up, I'll run an extension cord inside if I don't have a plug installed outside by the time we do the party. So this is the first thing. I'm gonna unbox this and then we'll install it.
So guys, we're here outside in our patio and ready? Let's go. Let's see how it is. Oh. That's what? So we're like trying to get these boxes out. Let's see if we can just like flip it over and just get the boxes out.
Remember, there's a bulb in there, so be careful.
Alright guys, so we're about to unbox the bulbs and yeah, so right now guys, if y'all are not happy with this wrapper, just take it off and your bulbs are gonna be sticking on, but it's fine because just take off your bulbs and then yeah, so these are all your bulbs. They should look like this. If your bulbs are different, that means you got different bulbs from ours, but it's fine because y'all, it's the type you want. But anyways, my sister is about to unbox another box, so right now just enjoy.
She's using a key to open it. It's a big old nest of string like that. Once you actually undo it, you can stretch it out and lay it out how you want it. I laid it out. I started putting these, but for some reason the actual hooks that I was using were not ideal. They didn't really hold it, and they don't look secure. That's what I'm trying to say. I was using those. But we're gonna use a different type for our further. So why are we doing this, Bella?
Well, it's because in 2 weeks it's gonna be my birthday, and we just wanted to do something really cool for the birthday. And yeah, so we might record while it's my birthday. We're gonna have a bounce house. We're gonna have tables. We're gonna have cake. So I hope y'all might tune into that video if my dad makes one. So yeah.
So I'm gonna be using a 7/64 drill bit. Alright, y'all can probably see it. And I'm gonna be using this to drill a little bit of it, so that way I can put these hooks on. These are like heavy duty. Well, I don't even know if you call them heavy duty, but they're Everbuilt. Then I bought them at Home Depot. They're like $6 for 50 of them. So I'm gonna try this, and hopefully these work better than the ones I have on right now, because those, for some reason, I don't think they were made for that. So I'll try these out and see what happens. Yeah. I'm gonna be recording like here, halfway. I already have it here, so I kind of know. Just a little hole, like a little bit, like a 1/4 inch. That's it. So then, get this. I just screw it on by hand. And I did a little bit of a hole so that way the teeth of this can actually go in there and make its own thread, and they feel pretty sturdy already. There you go. Okay. And I'll do that all the way around. Let's go. First stage is complete. Putting those hooks on. As you can see, I put them in the middle of the beams. Turn the beams all the way around. Not all the way around. There's one from there to there. So the next step is going to be to uninstall those light strips and then put them on the actual hooks that I just installed, and then install the other lights. I'm going to do that, and then I'll show y'all the after. Yeah, this video gets 1,000 likes. We'll donate this truck right here.
No.